Yeah. So this is Deccan Heritage Automobile Association. We are doing an event for the 15th year after Corona.
Yes.
This is the first time you all met.
Okay.
We're trying to save all the vintage cars and motorcycles of Hyderabad.
Yes.
And we have approximately this time around 15 cars.
15 cars.
Yeah, and around 70 odd motorcycles. A lot of people have not come because of the rainy day out here, because all these old cars very difficult to get them out.
Yes. How are you going to judge them?
We are not judging them because we are just giving, we are just planning to award everybody this thing, because the important thing is getting the car out, then judging the event, no?
Getting it responsible.
Yeah.
Thanks, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. In fact, this is a Heritage Vintage Bike Hyderabad Association. Basically, I'm trying to attend an event, and this event hosts a lot of vintage cars and bikes. So as you heard, it's around like, I believe 75 to 100, 75 motorcycles and 100 plus cars, or on the other side 100 motorcycles and 75 cars. So that's how it is, all vintage cars. I'm going to show you each and every car and a bike, and also tell you a little bit about its history and the owner's maintenance cost, and what all it took to restore those bikes. So that all is what I'm going to show you in this video. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Bye bye.